What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Modder X. The Galaxy Note 9 is finally here. You just spent more than $1,000 on a phone, you're going to want to protect it. Now we all know that it can be difficult finding the perfect screen protector for the Galaxy Note 9 that is also case friendly, and the main reason for that is because of the dual curved edges. Today we're going to take a look at a case-friendly screen protector for the Galaxy Note 9. This is the Impact Shield from Tech21. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and take the screen protector out of the box. One thing I love about the Impact Shield from Tech21 is the fact that it includes this foolproof installation method. It comes with this tray that makes things so easy when it comes to installing your screen protector. There's nothing worse than damaging your screen protector when you're trying to apply it. I'm kind of the world's worst at applying these screen protectors, so this is a huge benefit. You also get an installation guide there, so you kind of read through and see exactly what you're supposed to do. You get these other accessories for cleaning your screen. And then you have this little squeegee, which we're going to use to apply the screen here in just a minute. All right, so you've got a wet wipe, a dry cloth, and a dust removal sticker. That's what we're going to use to clean the screen. All right, so we'll start things off with the wet wipe. You might want to go ahead and power down your phone, just so that you're not distracted by all the different applications and things that are moving around on your device. So we'll go ahead and wipe it down as best as possible. Go ahead and get the edges of the display too, as best as you can. You want to make sure that this is really good and clean, because the last thing you want is for grease or dust to be trapped in between that screen protector and your screen. All right, so once you're pretty confident that that's clean, we'll follow up with the dry cloth. And then finally, we'll give it the once over with the dust sticker, making sure we get all the dust. Now, if I were you, I would go ahead and just put the sticker over the entire screen just to make sure you don't miss anything. Okay, next up we will shift our focus over to the tray. You're going to turn it around to the back side here, and you're going to carefully peel off the label 1. So just be very careful not to grab the actual screen protector. Peel that off like so. All right, and then you're going to put the tray directly over the top of your phone. It's also very important that the tab labeled 2 is at the top of the phone and not the bottom of the phone. Just make sure that the top of the phone is lined up with the 2 label. All right, next up, we're gonna make use of this squeegee. And basically what you wanna do is go from the bottom of the display up, and you're pressing down the screen protector. All right, so we're basically just making the screen protector stick to the screen. All right, so once you have the middle of the screen protector pressed down pretty good, you're going to go ahead and lift your device out of the applicator. All right, so once you're out of the applicator here, you're going to go ahead and continue to press from left to right here to try to get all of the air bubbles out, and just kind of, do the best you can. It doesn't matter if it's perfect here, because anything that's left over will work its way out over the next 24 hours. All right, once you have as many of the bubbles out as possible, you're going to go ahead and press down the screen protector on the edges with your finger. All right, and once you've got the edges pressed down, we're going to lift on the number 2 tab. And that's it. Your Galaxy Note 9 is protected. As you can see, the screen protector doesn't take away from the brightness and vividness of your Galaxy Note 9 display. It's just going to protect it from scratches and impact. The screen protector goes all the way up to the edge, so it leaves just a tiny gap. Basically, it covers every portion of the LCD and leaves just a small, tiny gap. That's going to allow space for your cases so that the screen protector doesn't peel up whenever you insert it into a case. All right, now I've got the Galaxy Note 9 with the screen protector in this OtterBox Symmetry Series case. It fits perfectly, and I'm not getting any sort of peeling on the edges. So this actually works really well for cases. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks, guys, for watching. Be blessed. I will see you in the next one.